a star performer on my team. Let's call him Vikram. Amazing technical skills. Clients loved him. But he had one big problem. He could really be harsh with junior team members. I knew this was happening. Everyone knew this was happening. And what did I do about it? Nothing. For months, I told myself he was too valuable to risk upsetting. I hoped it would get better on its own. I dropped hints. I gave general team talks about communication. But I never had a direct conversation with Vikram. The result? 3 talented junior team members quit. In their exit interviews, they all mentioned the toxic team culture. I finally gathered my courage and had the conversation with Vikram. Know what happened? He was surprised. He didn't realize how his communication style was affecting others. He was actually grateful for the feedback and willing to work on it. That 20-minute conversation could have saved 3 good employees. This pattern plays out in teams everywhere. We see issues but avoid talking about them directly. And it's killing trust in our teams. Why? Because when we dodge tough conversations, small problems grow into big ones. People start to resent each other. Team members create their own explanations for why problems aren't being addressed. Everyone feels the tension but pretends everything is fine. Even worse, when leaders avoid difficult conversations, we send a powerful message. We don't talk about real issues here. This creates a fake culture where people say one thing but think another. How do you know if this is happening on your team? Look for these warning signs. Issues being discussed in hallways but never in meetings. The same problems keep coming back. Team members don't speak up in group settings. More drama and gossip than usual. People saying yes in meetings but not following through. If you are seeing these signs, it's time to break the cycle of avoidance. So, how do we have these tough conversations without making things worse? First, get clear on your intentions. Are you coming from a place of blame or a place of support? Your purpose should be understanding and problem solving, not proving that you are right. Second, focus on specific behaviors, not character judgments. Instead of, you're too aggressive, try, in yesterday's meeting, when you interrupted Priya 3 times, it made it hard for her to share her ideas. Third, prepare your opening line. The first 30 seconds set the tone. I like this simple format. I'd like to talk about this situation because I'm concerned about this impact. My goal is whatever your positive outcome is. During the conversation, create safety by acknowledging that difficult conversations are uncomfortable for everyone. Use the situation, behavior, impact framework. In this specific situation, I noticed specific behaviors and the impact was effect on the team or on the person's work. Listen more than you speak. Be genuinely curious about their perspective. Look for common goals that you both share. And after the conversation, follow through on any commitments you made. Acknowledge positive changes when you see them. Create opportunities to rebuild trust through collaboration. Having courageous conversations isn't easy, but it's necessary for building trust. When we address issues directly, we show respect for our team members and confidence in their ability to grow. Start small if you need to. Pick one conversation you've been avoiding and commit to having it this week. With practice, these conversations become less scary and more natural. Remember, a team that can speak truth to each other is a team that can achieve amazing things together. What conversation have you been avoiding? Share your thoughts below. Let's support each other in building more honest and trusting